especially late in that set number 2. So we welcome you to set number 3 here in USTQ PAV. Back row, kanino? Ali na iangat. Guerrero, straight to Angel, kneeling set for Provido. Long exchange, Guerrero na naman. Beterta was right there. And Angel Canino with a mid-air switch up.
But you know, it's just really a miscommunication on that side. Because, oh well, it's Angel Canino spiking that ball again with another variation. Pero it's a good indication.
Setter for UP, that's Julia De Leon seeing action for the first time. Shana Nunag, back set. What a set. Perfection.
A perfect setup.
Of the set brought to you by Dunkin, pasalubong ng bayan. Kakahawak pa lang ng bola, parang narinig kita eh. Perfect.
Yes. Wow, until now.
Almost drops, good save by Jelay. Itang. Nunag. Back to Shev at the right pin. Oh, her variations are showing in this match.
Just making it a light work for Lasal to make a point. Kita natin there, oh, Nina Itang block and she wants that in front.
De Leon targets Guerrero. That's bounces through the hands. A lot of power for Jelay Guerrero. Let's add Cheska Ramos back to the group chat.
But her teammates were quick to rally, shouting, Jelay, kilala namin ikaw, kayang-kaya mo yan. That energy carries through every huddle today with veterans selling ball reception, minimize errors, and more variety in sets to break through LaSalle's blockers, telling them to play intelligent. This is our Sunsilk courtside report. Try the new Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex for up to 200% smoother hair. Sway it with Sunsilk. Now back to you, Jaime and Maggie.
Combination play for Shavana Lapot works, but
We can see that again. It's been very effective since the first set, the combination play. Pag open heater ang pumupunta sa...
and going back to Cheska's report, Guerrero has gone through a lot here just to play her first game in the UAAP as Ali joined in the scoring party with her first point.
Chance to learn something new, whether it's a certain style or decision. And as they aim to continue their momentum, Angel Canino told the team, walang titigil, tuloy-tuloy tayo. So let's see how the Lady Spikers will tighten up their game at Sunsilk. Back to you, Jaime and Maggie.
Now the first 2 lines of Sophie's report explains why Shana Nunag is a great player. Because she plays like a veteran but just taking everything in as UP now locking down defensively. 6 serving 4 here with Lapot. Set up to Olango. Block breaking move for Kian Olango.
A good setup for them to just break the hands of Eshana Nunag there, the smallest blocker of Lasal.
Shana away from the net. Canino
Just really variating her spikes. Angel Canino has been doing since the first set. Syempre, lahat naman ng point is just really one.
UP tried to steal a set here in set number 3, but a good hustle there for Capistrano. But the service ace for Lilay Del Castillo. Sharp serve for Lilay. Slide attack for Baklay.
Another one works for UP. Another slide attack there. Service line, which will be also a threat. Kasi marami din siyang service aces kanina.
Nunag. Straight to Provido. There's a battle at the net. And Amy showcasing her leaping abilities there.
Undeniably good. Look at that elevation. Wala ka ng room para makipag...
De Leon back to the slide. Good drop for
Good.
Itang. So the slide attack.
That the middle blockers are the ones scoring for the Fighting Maroons, which is a good indication also. Kasi ibig sabihin, they have a little...
4 points for Baklay. Olango, naiangat. Easy over. Nunag will set. Who will she go to?
Perfect
Berta says, come on!
In just this angle, Jaime, kitang-kita mo ng set ni Eshana Nunag, giving Reterta the most comfortable position to spike that ball. And just a single block from the side.
There's 7 points on 6 attacks. Not the best first pass. Chance given to Lasal. Lapot. And a great block for UP.
Those her players na alam nila kung sino magko-contribute. Wow, that reach. Almost her head above the net.
Just trailing by 1 now. And they tie it up at 11. De Leon. Chance ball, Lasal. Ashana loves these. Good save.
Another middle activation there for Lilay Del Castillo. Senior, you want to create an impact there. Take a look at that drop ball. Grabe ang taas ng reach niya. Aabot na lang talaga ni Ashana yung bola sa kamay nila.
2-point lead for Lasal. Olango. Reflexes by Nunag. And it is still good. Thanks to Ali. It's a bit tight. Capistrano was there. Olango will attack, and Olango with a put away. Here's the video challenge. No antenna touch.
For UP and the LSU.
Nunag sending it to Laput. Automatic.
That was a perfect side out for the side of Lasal. Meshana Nunag, take a look at that. Shevana going above the blockers.
They have to keep it precise. Canino at the service line with 13 points.
Good pass.
Slide attack.
Oh, a perfect volleyball there, coming from a good pass by Capistrano. Running attack there by Baclay. Take a look at that, just spiking through the hands of Riterta. The block of Riterta is kind of...
Nunag to Lilay. Kian keeping it alive. Another chance here for DLSU. Nunag, this time to Riterta.
We can see that swing there from Riterta, just trying to spike the ball hard.
Set number 3, UP trying to steal a set. DLSU clinging to a 2-point lead. De Leon, Cajero. That is her move of choice.
Look at that, just elevating up and just trying to hit the outer arm of the middle blocker. Mas may time kasi siyang bumuelo because of the set.
Canino, that's over. And Riterta winning that battle. And UP down by 1. That's inside, and we are at a deadlock.
Side of UP, Julia De Leon has been creating magic since he went in this third set.
Coming off the bench.
And a good thing kasi kilala ni Coach Fabio Menta yung mga players niya talaga.
Capistrano will set up Cajero. That drops inside.
And out of system for Cajero.
We'll replay the point. Provido now serving. Medyo nanlamig. As the challenge was pretty long there. So UP back within 1. This has been the trend here in set number 3. Despite being a young team, that team is also full of surprises.
That was a good one.
Netball challenge from UP.
Set.
Nunag quickly to Lilay.
We can see Lilay being aggressive in front. Shana Nunag has been activating Lilay Del Castillo. The blockers are late because they're expecting to give the ball to Angel.
De Leon bumps it to Ali out of system. And the DLSU Lady Spikers remain undefeated here in season 88.